Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to create a stamped portrait effect in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, click on the Quick Selection tool in the left menu and then hit Select Subject. After you see the marching ant selection, click on the Add Layer Mask button. From the New Adjustment Layer menu, click on Solid Color. Use the color picker to sample white and then click OK. I'm going to move the subject layer on top of the color fill layer. Next, select Threshold from the New Adjustment Layer menu. Play around with the threshold level slider to your liking. For this image, I'm going to pick a value of 110. To fine-tune this image further, click on the New Adjustment Layer button and choose Black and White. Move this layer below threshold and play around with the RGB and CMY sliders one at a time to your liking. Next, create a brand new layer below the threshold layer and rename it to Dodge and Burn. Change the blend mode of this layer to Overlay and then click on the Brush tool from the left menu. With the soft round brush selected, make sure the hardness is set to 0% and the flow should be around 5%. With the foreground color set to black, slowly paint over the areas where you would like to get back some of the details from the original background. Feel free to make multiple passes and keep going until you're happy with the results. Next, create another layer and rename it to Cleanup. Click on the brush tool from the left menu and this time set the hardness and flow to 100%. With the foreground color set to white, paint over any artifacts from the background or any stray hairs that you don't want included in your image. If you want to go one step further, create another layer and rename it to Smudge. Click on the Smudge tool in the left menu and make sure the mode is set to saturation and the strength is set to 25%. With sample all layers checked, slowly paint over the edges to smudge and blur them out a bit. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.